Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled amidst rolling hills and glistening rivers, there lived a community of people who thrived on their unity and shared love for their land. Life was peaceful and filled with joy until one fateful day, when a calamitous disaster struck, an enormous earthquake. The ground shook violently, tearing apart homes and shattering dreams. The villagers ran for their lives as buildings crumbled and the earth quivered beneath their feet. Chaos and despair gripped their hearts as they witnessed their once vibrant village reduced to rubble. Amidst the devastation, there was one individual who possessed an indomitable spirit, a survivor named Lily. She had lost her home, her belongings, and even her loved ones, but her will to rebuild and rise above the ashes burned brightly within her. Lily had always been an artistic soul, finding solace and inspiration in the beauty of nature. She was particularly drawn to the graceful flight of birds, symbolizing freedom and resilience. In the midst of the chaos, she stumbled upon a lone, injured bird, a phoenix, believed to be a mythical creature with the power to rise from its own ashes. Touched by the bird's plight and inspired by its symbolism, Lily took the wounded creature under her care. She tended to its injuries, nursing it back to health, and in return, the phoenix bestowed upon her a small feather as a token of gratitude. With the phoenix's feather clutched tightly in her hand, Lily decided to rebuild her life and the village. She rallied her fellow survivors, igniting the flickering embers of hope within their hearts. Together, they embarked on the arduous task of reconstructing their shattered community. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months as the villagers toiled ceaselessly, their spirits bolstered by Lily's unwavering determination. They overcame numerous obstacles and challenges, but the phoenix's feather, kept close to Lily's heart, served as a constant reminder of their shared strength and resilience. News of their endeavors spread far and wide, reaching the ears of neighboring villages, and even the royal court. The villagers became an embodiment of the human spirit's indomitable will, inspiring others with their remarkable journey of resilience and rebirth. As the village began to take shape once more, a grand celebration was organized to commemorate their triumph over adversity. People from far and wide gathered to witness the remarkable transformation, and to honor Lily and her fellow villagers. During the celebration, Lily stood before the crowd, clutching the phoenix's feather tightly. Her voice rang out, filled with gratitude and hope, as she recounted the village's harrowing journey. Her words resonated with everyone present, serving as a reminder that the human spirit, in the face of unimaginable adversity, possesses the power to rise, rebuild, and create anew. From that day forward, the village thrived, a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the power of unity. Lily's story became a legend, passed down through generations, a tale of courage and inspiration that reminded people to never lose hope, even in the darkest of times. And so, the village that had once lain in ruins became a beacon of hope and resilience, a shining testament to the incredible strength that resides within the human heart.